the case of a leading manufacturing company that successfully implemented AI-powered predictive maintenance. Before the arrival of AI, this company was constantly grappling with the unpredictable nature of machine failures. This resulted in costly downtime, unexpected repair expenses, and a significant dip in productivity. Recognizing the need for a more efficient approach, they turned their attention towards AI-powered predictive maintenance. They started by feeding their AI models with years of historical data, everything from machine operations, past failures, to environmental factors. This allowed the AI to learn and understand the patterns that led to machine failures. Once the AI models were trained, they began predicting potential failures before they occurred. This predictive analysis allowed the company to schedule maintenance activities proactively, reducing unexpected machine downtime significantly. The company also saw a considerable decrease in maintenance costs, as they could now avoid expensive emergency repairs, but the benefits didn't stop there. The predictive maintenance system also resulted in a notable increase in productivity. The machines were now running smoothly, and the company was able to produce more in less time. The overall efficiency of their operations improved dramatically. This case shows the transformative potential of AI-powered predictive maintenance in mechatronics. So, what have we learned from this? AI-powered predictive maintenance stands tall as an effective solution to common problems in mechatronics. It outwits failures and trims down downtime, keeping the gears of industry turning smoothly. Remember the case study we discussed? A shining example of successful implementation, showing tangible results and positive impact. As we continue to advance in technology, AI-powered predictive maintenance could very well be the future of mechatronics. Let's watch this space and see where the future takes us.